Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something fun. We're going to be drawing and coloring a parrot. But what's going to be special about today is the tools that we're going to be using. So first, what you see me doing here is drawing an image of a parrot. I'm using the Pentel Arts Pointliner Pigment ink pens, and these are drawing and sketching pens that come in a variety of sizes. These pens are pigment ink pens which are ideal for drawing illustrations, comic sketching, graphic design, and general writing. I also really like that the black ink is both water and fade resistance. So I'm going to be using all of the different sizes, and the different sizes that are available, it comes in a 0.05 millimeter tip, a 0.01 millimeter, 0.3, 0.5, and a 0.08. I first use the 0.08 millimeter tip to do an outline of the bird, and then I work my way to the smaller sizes to get more finer details. So I'm about wrapping up my drawing now, and as I mentioned before, I'm using all of the fine liner tips, going all the way down to the finest of the tips for the finer details, and that's the 0.05. Next, you see me transitioning into the colors, and this is the exciting part because I'm using also Pentel Art brand, but they are Sign pen micro brushes, and they're a set of 12 pens that are really great because they actually have a micro synthetic brush tip. These tips actually help to create tiny hairline strokes to wider strokes. So they're really ideal for a lot of drawing and illustration and coloring, as you see here, but also for hand lettering and calligraphy. They're really vibrant, as you can see, and in a moment I'm going to be adding some water to dilute some of the colors, and I'm going to be blending some of the colors to add even more character to the bird. But these are a fabulous set of pens that come in a set of 12. Highly recommend if you are interested in alternatives to just traditional watercolors and you're trying to get some versatility in the thickness and thinness of your lines, as well as the ability to mix and blend and have some fun with the colors.